In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can edit your lock screen on your iPhone running iOS 26 or future iOS versions. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point though with this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. And there's two ways to get into your lock screen editing mode. First things first, if you just press and hold on your lock screen itself, it's going to open up that editing menu. You just got to tap customize, or if that doesn't work, go through your settings. By opening up those settings and then scrolling down until you see this little wallpaper tab here, select that and then hit customize on your lock screen, and it's going to take you into that exact same customize view. From here, what you can do is actually adjust that clock size, change that font style and color, move your widgets to the top or bottom of the screen, remove widgets, and even add new widgets by tapping the widget area. You can even make the background 3D, which is pretty cool. That's how I have mine. But if you want to switch fonts, just tap on that clock and select the font that you would like. You can also remove existing icons and replace them with different ones to completely customize your layout. Just whenever you are done, make sure you tap done in the top right corner and your changes are going to be applied instantly. But that is how you can edit your lock screen here on iOS 26 as well as future iOS versions. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.